You don't get tired because you're out of shape. You get tired because you're breathing wrong. Fix this, and you instantly last longer. No extra training. Try this right now. Breathe fast, shallow. Feel that stress? That's how most people train. You start running. 30 seconds later, you're dying. Heart racing, chest tight, ready to quit. And you think, I'm just not in shape. Wrong. Your body isn't the problem. Your breathing is. Most people breathe like they're in a panic, not in control. Big mistake number 1. Chest breathing, shoulders rising. Short, shallow, stressful breaths. That drains your energy fast. In the next 60 seconds, I'll fix your breathing for running and workouts. And you'll feel the difference immediately. Here's what you do instead. Breathe with your diaphragm. Hand on stomach. Your stomach moves. Your shoulders stay relaxed. More oxygen. Less effort. You feel calmer instantly. But this alone isn't enough. If you run, this is a game changer. Use a rhythm. Inhale for 3 steps. Exhale for 2. 3 in, 2 out. This keeps your body in control. Not in survival mode. Do this, and you instantly feel stronger and more stable. Now in the gym, this is where people lose strength. Rule is simple. Exhale when you push. Inhale when you come back. Push equals breathe out. Lower equals breathe in. If you want simple tips that actually make you better, subscribe. Next video, I'll show you how to last twice as long when running. Most people train harder, but the smart ones train better. Control your breathing, and you control your performance. This is Uncle Fit. Be proud of yourself.